Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about cotang s squared equals to cosecant of s squared minus 1. So this one I can put into cotang s to the power of 4 with cotang s squared. So this one we change by this one. So cotang s to the power of 4 multiplied by cosecant of s squared and negative number 1. Now we repeat the process for this one in here. And this one, that is about this one. So negative cotang s squared multiplied by cosecant of s squared and negative number 1. And this one, we have cosecant of s squared minus 1. And now, we have cosecant of s squared, cosecant of s squared in here. We can do about factorization. The integration of negative number 1 in here, you got about negative s. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to cotang s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have the negative side in here, I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. And this one we change by u. This one we change by negative du. The integration of u to the power of 4. We have number 5, number 3, and u in here. About u, that's about cotang s. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And then we put about c in here. And this is the final answer.